Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is Miss Anila Javed and I'm teaching you general methods of teaching. Today it's our lecture, second class, and I will teach you features of teaching. Features of teaching. Let's start the lecture. There are some common features of the teaching. The first one is a teacher must start his or her class with full planning. Here, planning means lesson planning and in a very organized manners. The second point is treat students with respect, love, and caring. Means a teacher must treat student with respect, love, and care because this student-teacher relationship based on emotions. You know very well. The third point, a teacher should provide initial introduction of the topic to highlight the significance of it and create a bridge between prior knowledge and the current one, the present one. The fourth point, a teacher must provide clear explanations regarding the lesson plan uh, before the lecture and during the lecture if it is needed. The fifth feature is, in fact, a good teacher always holds attention and respect of the students through giving appropriate example and asking questions. The sixth one is a teacher must manage her classroom because discipline because the discipline of the class matters a lot. Correct sitting arrangement of the students help them to learn and interact with each other. The seventh point is full teacher always uses different kind of aids to facilitate students and making the lecture interesting for them. Next point is whenever teacher has planned to assign any task to students, uh, clear instructions should be given to the students so they can work easily. Ninth point is a motivated teacher tries to give quick feedback to her students regarding their performances, their efforts. The 10th feature is a good teacher always praises students' efforts and appreciates them through asking probing questions from the students. And the next point is a teacher should give real life and concrete means solid examples to explain the topic during the lecture. A teacher must draw influences from the models, the real life characters, to explain the topic, to explain the content of the subject. And the next point is a teacher, a good teacher, always creates a comfortable environment, a comfortable classroom environment where the students can easily ask questions freely and confidently from the teacher. And the next point is a teacher should teach fast but take a pause for the students to assess them whether they are getting or understanding the lecture or not. The next point, the 15th point is a teacher should talk as per students' mental level, means use simple language. Next point is a teacher must have sense of humor. No one likes serious teacher. एक लतीफ़ा तो क्लास में होना ही चाहिए. Next point is a good teacher. A good teacher's body language matters a lot. Her facial expressions, eye contact. So she could walk. She should walk around the class and must try to get attention of the students. A good teacher always presents herself like a real person, not the fake personality, because she is the role model for her students. And next point is the 19th feature of a teaching is a teacher should do focus on the learning outcomes so she can keep her keep herself on the right track. Because if she doesn't keep in her mind the objectives of the class, she cannot achieve her class learning outcomes. And the last but not the least, she should get feedback from the colleagues, friends, and fellows, even from the students, to improve her teaching styles. I hope you you understand the all the lecture. If you have any question, you can ask. Allah Hafiz.